The ramifications of this discovery rock my very core. Huh? Oh, right, I'm awake. Go on, you were saying. Tonight, we're gonna draw Dr. Dunnett, one of the first members from the Chaos Council. And one of the guys from Sonic Prime. It's true what they say, 1 makes 5, 5 makes 1. We are who we are. Always have been, always will be. This guy's the elder in the Sonic the Hedgehog group. Here is the Robotnik belt. Alexa, play it again.
Oh.
Yeah, but... Here's his hands. Here's his... Next, we have to draw his cane. As you have noticed, it has tennis balls on the lower halves of his body. There we go. Here's Dr. Dunnett's throne. Alright, next up we draw the feet, draw the lower half of his throne. Take this. we go. This is Caine. This is their mission. To gain control of the Shatterverse. Sonic will do everything in his power to make sure the Chaos Council is finally vanquished and the Paradox Prism is finally completed until his home is finally finished. Anyway, there he is. That is how you draw Dr. Dunnett. Check out the other fighters that I've drawn in the playlist, and there will be more like this coming soon. So I guess we'll see you later, guys. Good night.